How to book a demo class. Step-by-step tutorial. Start by opening the course catalog. You'll see the list of available categories on the left-hand side. Next, click on the Book Demo Class button. On the registration page, select the option to log in with Google, Microsoft, or Apple for a quick and secure sign-in. The platform will load the authentication process. Wait while your account selection completes, and soon you'll be ready for the next step. Now, take a moment to answer a few questions. These questions are designed to learn about your interests, experience, and learning objectives. By understanding what you want to achieve and your current skill level, the platform can personalize its recommendations. Providing accurate responses helps the system match you with the most suitable class, ensuring you get the best possible learning experience tailored to your needs. The platform will then proceed to the next step, where you'll be presented with a calendar to select a date for your class. You can browse through the available days, choose the one that best fits your schedule, and ensure that your class is booked at a convenient time. This step allows you to plan ahead and reserve your spot in advance, making the booking process smooth and hassle-free. From here, select your desired date and time from the calendar. After that, you'll see the confirmation panel appear, showing all your selected details. When you're satisfied, click the Confirm button to complete your booking.